Hello guys, hello, this is GeekFi and we're starting our live today. So here we go, we are broadcasting on the major crypto live stream platforms such as Binance, HTX, Gate.io, and of course YouTube and Twitch sometimes. So guys, welcome, take your seats and we're starting right now. Let me check our YouTube channel as well. So actually today I will check only the I believe only the YouTube comments because of the actually manually I cannot see, but okay, I will try to switch on the ITX as well. So hello Deeps, hello Mars, hello guys, how are you doing? Actually we've got a little break for several weeks. Actually we had some technical troubles, personal troubles and tragedies, so no matter what, we're trying to get the best here. And we were analyzing the content we're just making and came to conclusion that we haven't shared you with guys our plans for this year, and actually we haven't shared our intents, what we're gonna do on the start of the year and the middle of the year, and of course in the end of the year. Of course the crypto is highly volatile stuff and we cannot predict everything, but actually we're trying to stick to the plan and to make everything happen nearly how we're saying. And I was analyzing with our friend Delmain. It's our AI guy who just taking all of the technical stuff here and sometimes communicating with you guys. So actually we've been analyzing what we're doing the last year and what we're gonna to do this year, and actually we came to conclusion that everything is going fine, and actually we're providing you guys a lot of tons of valuable information. But when we're just exploring everything, we do not understand how far it can go, and today I want just to share with you guys some of the thoughts I'm thinking over how we will just making our live streams and videos during these periods. Will we separate the topics or we should go like mixed balanced stuff every time? So we don't know yet, but frankly speaking I want to show you my results by this time about all of our activities. And today we will speak a little bit about trading, a little bit about DeFi, a little bit about the GameFi stuff, a little bit about the exploration, and of course about airdrops as well. So because I haven't got, I believe, much of the airdrops by now, but actually we haven't seen big stuff here right in the space, and the question may arise, should we continue to do this everyday jobs because some of the guys are just doing everyday stuff like go for the layer 3, going everywhere. So actually I don't make anything guys during several months because I haven't enough time, and the other reason, I have some personal reasons for that. I haven't got the access for my computer. I haven't got access, so I have got access of course for the internet, computer and my phone, but I haven't got any possibility to, for example, make trading because as I said, we have some personal reasons for not going further right now, and it was and I've just stuck in one interesting opinion that you need to invest in something which you shouldn't touch and you cannot, for example, so you may not touch for several months, and it will be working for you. So in these terms, the GameFi stuff versus trading stuff, of course, looks like a loser, because we will analyze right now our statements in the DeFi sphere, in the trading sphere, in the service sphere, and of course in the GameFi, and I will show you guys whether I was profitable or not during the year, so I can speak freely with you guys, because all of my accounts, all of my activities are open here. And actually, I must remember you guys that this live show, we've started with the general statement that our goal is not to provide you of course, to provide you financial advices, but not to provide you the way to instant income. Our goal here is to teach you guys and provide you a habit to invest in something periodically and then go in profits when the time is coming, right, for this. So for my personal reason, for my personal opinion, and it's nearly the year we're doing this, right? So because we started, let me show you guys, the first trade, it was 5th April, so several months, and we will go there on this 5th April, right? So what I want to show you guys is that this habit, if you have this habit, if you're just following us, guys, so you are doing right you are doing right stuff, whether you are just a big guy, for example, or a hamster like we are all, and low bankers, because we are low bankers and we're trying to provide you some information how to deal with your money if you're a low banker. And $5 a day is not a big sum of money. So because actually the biggest investment is a time and knowledge and experience which you can get during this year, because you can see that starting of the show a year ago, we've just put in investments 1,600. Actually, it was much the sum was higher, and this sum is just went to the CryptoPumper show somewhere when we were just investing in some cryptos almost every day. And I believe the time is come to say that actually you can see that right now the profit is 56%. No matter what, if the Bitcoin will go down, for example, for a reason, in several months, I'm very happy for the result, but it's not our goal right now, right? Okay, so let's start from the beginning. Let's go and speak within the segments, right? The first segment which we were just talking about is I would say investments and trading and DeFi stuff, right? So let's go for the Bitcoin chart. So actually I believe 3 or 4 months ago when we were analyzing this stuff, I've said that Bitcoin price can go as higher as this level, so this will be the next one level, or it should go for this one deep level, right? So actually we're almost reached this level, so it's not new stuff. So I don't know if we can see in trading view when I was doing this. Okay, yeah, cannot maybe it has some history. No. Okay, so you can see you can check our previous streams, right? Okay, so if you don't believe me, so actually we're almost reached this point, and actually whether the other guys just in the crypto just were fixing their prognosis and other stuff, so we do not doing this because we are not active traders. So I'm not doing active trades every day, so I can do swing trading, and I'm using the DCA strategy, so a dollar cost averaging strategy. So I'm buying the crypto like a habit. So for example, I've put for a reason $5 a day. You can Yasam can be I don't know, $10 a week or 2000 a month, nevertheless, but you need to constantly invest some of your free money to some instruments. Yeah, so of course my pick is crypto, and it's sometimes it's risky, but you can see the profits right now. So it's not realized profits, and actually our goal is making the profits actually not on the raise, for example, like on Bitcoin or something, but to make the profits during the bull run, because it's not the bull run, guys. It's not the bull run. We haven't reached the all-time high yet, and actually the bull run should overprice the previous. So this is my prediction, right? So the previous all-time high in 2 times in Bitcoin, and in altcoins, when it will go for the altcoin season, of course it should be going crazy, something like 10x or something. Okay, I take my coffee here. So, and going for my stuff here. So the last time I was putting something, so it was 26th of December, guys. We need to understand that, and actually you can see that October and almost whole December, January, and the half of the February, I haven't do any movements because I wanted to analyze the market, and I want to redefine my strategy. And right now we will see that we will actually continue to make these investments, because I believe if your habit will be continuously, if you will make an effort, you will get a profit. So better to take these $5 not on coffee or for example for some cheap stuff, but take this money in investments if you can, right? Your future you will say you thank you. Okay, so let's see all the possibilities. So usually I'm taking the crypto, so I'm usually taking the crypto and put it into the centralized exchanges, because it's not so super big money. Some of the coins are laying in my MetaMask wallet, but actually my MetaMask wallet was hacked in the summer and I lost several thousands of USDTs. And after that I came to a conclusion that for some reasons, of course, you should take your time and take the measures not to be hacked or something, but shit happens. So, and this shit can happen in any centralized exchanges. Remember FTX and other exchanges like GTOX and other, if you're so older like me, so MT GOX and other stuff. So of course you can be robbed. The firms can be just exposed and everything, but nevertheless your guys should diversify your funds. So on this time you can see that my folio is raising right now, because the current Bitcoin's price is raising, and I can show you my stuff here. So Ethereum right now on the first place, because the price of Ethereum raises drastically. BNB is here, Matic is here. So we're still waiting till Matic will just being pumped up. So, and other stuff. So ICP here like 3%, because it raises its price drastically. So you need to see the price here, but major of the crypto has 5-10% volatility, and nearly the 10% is less than 5% volatility. But actually guys, remember the lower of 2080. This 20% will bring us 80% of the profits, guys, for sure, guys. I believe in this. Okay. So moving next. So where the money, where just I'm keeping up the money. So the first stuff first, I'm keeping it on the 2 centralized or 3 centralized exchanges such as HTX, Binance, and Gate.io. And I have some money on OKEx. I have some money on Bitstamp, maybe. So it's just depends on the coins, because for example Toncoin or Chia, they're available not on every exchange, and you should pay attention on the exchanges which were, you know, trading the liquidity of your favorite coin. For example, Max is rapidly developing. So if you see your coin you want to invest in, so you can go directly for this exchange and buy these coins there. So and I put usually the funds into the earning possibilities. So if we go for for example account at Binance first stuff, so let's overview it. So you can see that I have much more money than stated there, because it's not all the money just were used for the CryptoPump show. So and the major bunch of this money I'm just holding in earn account. So nevertheless, doesn't matter if you have the for example, flexible percentage, or for example a locked stuff. So I haven't got any locked yet. Interesting. Nothing locked, right? Nothing locked, everything flexible, because I need to get these coins quickly when I need them, right? When I need them. So for example, Bitcoin, let's take a calculator here. I don't see the calculator. Okay, I see several. So let's see, 0.075 8161. I will multiply on some three almost $400. There is a little bit more because I have BTCs on other exchanges, I believe, and that's not all. Yeah, so that's not all, and I believe we have some on my trading account, so on my spot account, I'm sorry. Oh, come on, I'm doing wrong. So mainly I'm making automatically trades here. So, and I believe that we haven't much BTCs here. BTC coin, yeah, we have some $14 just for our regular, duties, right? So that's why I'm just putting everything. For example, for this one, I'm just putting on the CryptoPumper. You can use, for example, other stuff, other instruments to keep your folio. For example, Coin Tracker, or for example, I don't know, any of this bunch of stuff. If you just prefer to keep your money on MetaMask wallet, you can go for the MetaMask portfolio and just check it there. But actually, I believe you have some money if you're a low banker, of course, on central exchanges, because you are not paying high fees, for example, in Ethereum stuff. But guys, I have some Bitcoins, I believe. not only on my centralized exchanges, not coin date, but just, okay, let's go for the price, for example. So you can see that we have 67 wrapped BTCs on the Now wallet. Remember these guys from the Now wallet. So that's how you can define that 300 and half right now on the Binance and 67 on the Now wallet. So in the just you can check it into in MetaMask and so on. Yeah. So another one stuff here, the same stuff here. I'm using the earn possibilities from the HCX, of course. And actually, guys, I want to point you guys that if you're reading my Twitter, you can see a lot of tweets. So within the analytics, within the some duties which I'm just making reposting and so on. All of the projects, guys, all of this stuff which we're just picking up here, showing you guys. I usually personally check it out. That's why I suppose it's commonly interesting, and actually if I'm talking about this and if I'm posting in the Twitter, so guys, I'm just trying to test all of this stuff. So for our analytical stuff, of course, we're just gathering information from the whole internet, but if we're just taking about my personal thoughts here, you understand that really I'm testing this, and I wanted to show you this stuff which I was sharing with you in January 29. So with the HTX DAO and Huobi Global, and it's HTX actually, right? So but they haven't changed, of course, the account. So I was number 805 HTX DAO people participant. I bought the HTX token by myself, and you can see this in my account. And look at this. I've got this amount of HTX tokens, and I've put it in staking for sure immediately when they just opened this possibility, and they doubled my stuff here right now, right? So if you have participated with me here, so I suppose you saw the difference. You saw that you've got these assets, right? So, and you can see that the major assets I'm keeping in earn account, and some assets I'm just keeping here for a reason. So the first reason, oh, this chain I haven't even remember. I suppose that's a bonus or something. So I have some. If you are not picking up the in earning opportunity, the checkbox on the auto staking, so all of your percentage, for example, will come here in small drops, for example, like in Bitcoins, for example, or Tezos, for example. So this came from the earn, right, from the earn stuff. But I believe that it's pretty much interesting. How can you just track your track your money and track all of this stuff you have. Some stuff I haven't got put into the earn because they haven't got, for example, they haven't got any possibilities to earning opportunities, for example, for Chilis. So they're just laying. I'm just keeping it, holding it, and doing nothing with them, right? So, and you can see that even my PNL here is working. So let's go deeper, and you might ask me, what were you doing? So you've telling us that you're just making some trades, automatically trades, or you haven't got invested during the 2 months actually. What you've been doing, right? So Why you haven't got anything? Because you've teach us that you need to invest steadily. So remember, guys, we've just made the blockchain education opportunities. Just explore them. So I will log in there right now. Let's log in, and I will show you. My stuff there. What was going on? Actually, I'm just okay. Let me 597 to 6. And I believe nobody can unlock my account if even I'm just showing the authentication stuff. So how to trade history, and you can see that this stuff, this money, I've just put here. And remember, guys, I've showed you that I have USDTs, just picking up the USDTs and show you guys that this was like I'm just took my 200. So, and all December, so it was my limit on the December for sure, right? So, and oh, where I have what the immutable, I don't remember. I've just picked it up and I just don't remember where is it, but actually look at these guys, 200%. So I haven't got the description, so I will need to find them out. Suppose they just staying on my layer 2 immutable X solution, but what I want to show you that I'm not just keeping them, right? So I put it into the work, and it was put in the blockchain education, and right now all the trades are going on here. So all of this money right now on the you can see the sums, and this sums is particularly about the 21 USD, right? So 21 plus 21, it's 42, so up to 45. So this is just trades from different streams. It's interesting why this stuff wasn't sold, so you need to check sometimes to check all this stuff manually. Nevertheless, you can see that right now it was a bull impact, and actually we're going to speak with the guys on Wednesday, guys. So it's a short announcement right now. So on Wednesday, I believe in 1 hour and a half from this time, it will be just a speech about the trading stuff, about how the Bitcoin, how the altcoins will be heavier in the recent days and recent months. So do not miss this opportunity. We will make, of course, some announcement there. So, and you can see that I haven't make it manually, trading it manually or something. So all the December, part of January, not so a big amount of January, and just beginning of February. So it was trading with some of the profits. Actually, the December was very active, and November, October, and so on. And you can see we're not playing big here because it's just experiment. But for sure, I will show you guys how we can analyze actually the results. We have 3% take profit on all of these 4 streams, and you can see some of the deals, of course, for sure right now is just opened. We have rather all of these, so I'm not very I'm not worrying about this, because I know that some of this stuff will be bouncing and will be going down. For example, this one, Plow. So we've got our profit. It was going up like this one, like Santa's 82, for example, or OP, right? 100% or something. So, but we've just sell it on 3% because we need some steadily working here with all of this stuff. So do not, it doesn't matter which is the current ROI, because the matter is the approximate return here. So what about the short-term signals? So we have just few opened right now, yeah. So, and managed signals, I believe. Okay, we've just entered in just one in January, and I believe that all for the managed trades, because I haven't got much of USDTs, free USDTs for all of this stuff. So no matter what, we continue to work with it and trying to test it out. And you can ask me how many USDTs I have on my account. Oh, 17. So we need to check it out. Check it out, the balance, and sell some of maybe profitable coins, which I've bought here. But guys, if you go for the PNLs, so it's very, very interesting. So we will go for the 30 days. So for this 30 days, 200 bucks. Why not? Why not, guys, right? So you might say that how we can distinguish this stuff from actually the fluctuations of the prices. So this graph is, and I will you know, we will speak about this graph recently with guys. So you can see that, for example, cumulative BTC trend was 24%, and we have, for example, 12. So the February wasn't so good, for example, and attractive yet. But if we can take the, for example, December, oh, why it's January, no. Why it's so, okay, for example, from December. Okay, so you can see that this graph, so the cumulative PNL was much higher than BTCs after the New Year stuff. So the situation was just right the same, but we have the pike here, and we have some stuff, some negative stuff here. So, but generally, we can see that the cumulative PNL is 37% during 2 months. So this is actually, and you can see the profits here. So but you can see that the general profits is 500 during all of this stuff, and you can just check my previous streams when I've showed how much I had here. So I believe from the we started this stuff, I believe, from the October. You can see that we have profit something around 900, but you need to understand. So, and you can see how it was raising during this period. So I've put some money, of course, something like 300 to 400 bucks. So if we minus it will still have 500 bucks. This is awesome result, I believe. So put 300 and take out 500, so more than 100% during 4 months. Amazing, and we will speak with these guys. So that's what I was saying to you guys. If you have the ability to get some, don't matter do not matter what result. So you can you can check it out and working with it and doing some stuff, so it will be nice. And if you haven't, for example, got some trading instruments and so on, but actually I'm strongly recommended you blockchaineducation.com. So actually they have the month's payment, but if you're just putting, not for example like me, several hundreds, so if you will put some several thousand, so the month's fee is just okay for such amazing instrument. And I wasn't using the futures, and I've just put only 3%. You can put, for example, 5 or 10% per trade, and on the bull markets it will be just high in your profits like to the moon. Actually, maybe we will need to redefine stuff, and maybe, for example, go for some, I don't know, for some other instruments, or for example modify, for example, this instrument and take, for example, not 3% but 10%, for example, and waiting till all of these trades will be working. But not all of this stuff can work. For example, bond was get profits something like 3, 5, 10% and go down, and if you haven't reached this percentage, so you will be waiting too long. Yeah, so for example Acro, we're still waiting, but nevertheless it's a long-term strategy, right? Okay. You can use some risky stuff here, and I will try right now to find the instrument I showed you before within the BNB win, I believe. Actually, I haven't checked this for ages. Oh, I believe it's still working, guys. I swear I haven't. You can check my history in browser, right? So I haven't got these from January or from, I don't know. What about the draw here? The next draw is 3000 BNB. I haven't seen the previous one actually. So I believe we haven't won because I would have the big stuff here. So I have 6. Okay, you can manage your stakes here. Let's see. So cumulative, I had 1.5 BNB, I believe. Return to the dashboard. Okay. Where's my... Yeah, in amount of 159, 1.6, I believe. And actually, look at this percentage. So I already have 0.4. Let's try. So it was on this account. Let's try to withdraw this. Why not? So, and you can check, confirm. Okay, let's go for the transactions. And you can see that I've already withdraw so nearly half of my BNBs. So if this will be successful, actually guys, for such big percentage, and if you want to get such high percentage, because if you will go just for like you're doing like just typing in BNB win, you will not get such big percentage. It will be lower on maybe 15 or 20%. So it sounds crazy, right? So if you want to go here, so write me in DMs or comment for this video, for this live stream. Better in the end, for example, or just go for our Telegram group or go into our Twitter and DM me if you want to get this code here, because I wasn't prepared actually for this stream. I've just wanted to share with all of these results. We're just going in and how I'm just managed to do all of this stuff. So let's go and see how much money is. So I was investing 1.5 BNB, 5.6 when it costs, for example, something like this. So it was almost 400. Right now it costs 352, right? So, and I've already took, let's count, 0.4 plus almost 1 BNB, and it's so we've saw that it's the price of BNB right now, right? So I've just for the 1 month I've just made a return for this one. It's highly risky, but you need to understand so if you want this crazy APR, just write me down, because usually they provide 300. So this is too crazy again, but actually I believe this is huge actually. So I don't know how do they do this, but it's working. Still it's working, and I believe that we will try to check all of this stuff. So they have even hash. So I've got my money 2 minutes ago. Really? Let's look. Yeah, we've got this. We've got this stuff, guys. So really I'm shocked here because I don't want to I don't even I do not know what to say to you guys, because actually I wanted to roast this project several months ago, when these guys just came to our email and say, okay, we've got the product. I haven't believed this, and actually I've showed you red flags and green flags on our previous streams, and I'm really totally shocked. And maybe I will, when I've got all of my 1.59 BNBs back, I will make a big post here how it was possible, and just share you the results, right? So sharing all of the transactions, all of this stuff. So I'm really shocked here, but actually for example, random percentage daily and paying, for example, 10 BNB. So for me, it's very, very big money. So you can see that I'm just playing with several thousands and placing 3,500 here. Of course, it's not good strategy for this diversification. But guys, of course, if you're just operating something like 50,000, 100,000 and putting 10,000 here with such awesome percentage, okay, come on, some guys can sell their soul for such a big percentage. So I don't know. So I was thinking that it's hype project. So do not mess with hype. Hype is a little bit other term for such project. So highly risky project, but it's working right now. So I mean that if I just close my stakes, for example, I will be in profit in nearly 1 BNB for several months. So for me, it's huge money. Absolutely for nothing. So of course it's huge money. Okay, moving next here, and of course, guys, we were showing all of this stuff. Oh yeah, so you can see. So I believe that it's pretty much, no, it's not pretty much all. Let's go, and if we're talking about the investments, let's go for the IDOs. So some for some I would say for several times I'm just showing you guys some tips from the upcoming IDOs. For the major part of these IDOs, I've took part personally as well, or took part in their content programs or something. By the way, we need to check our refilled program because we've got some NFT there, and then I believe we should got some native coins. Maybe we will speed up the process. Okay. What I wanted to show you guys. So many information. I've just wanted to delete them. Okay. I will return for the bit fighters a little bit later, but okay, if I just go in here and find them. So guys, watch this stream. So it was 11th of October, and everyone could take the free NFT from the 10 or I don't remember how many NFTs we reserved for you guys. So as far as I remember, only few members of our community took this NFT. But right now, if I will go for the OpenSea and take these Chan 0 NFTs, we can see that the floor price is 1.5 AVAX, and AVAX cost right now is 40 bucks. So one NFT right now costs 60 bucks for nothing. So you could take them and right now trying, for example, to sell them or just to play within the bit fighters, because the bit fighters, I must remember that for some maybe GameFi org or other media, they was nominated as the best crypto game of 2024, and I must remember, or 2023, I'm sorry, but I must remind you guys that this game is created only by 2 persons in US, and these guys are doing awesome job. So I believe that it's amazing. It's amazing. What are they doing? What about the BeatStars.io? So you remember that I played on the BeatStars.io. So I've got something like 400 myrics from this project, something like this. In profits, it's quite a little bit risky. So, but maybe in future I will play within this. But what I want to show you guys, Clink Finance, by the way, they will have an IDO. I will show you when I've got the information about this. I'm just want to keep an eye on this. Okay, remember Kryptonite and Sailor. So I just want. Okay, so when we're just going and okay, here we go, Kryptonite. So they will we can go for the Sailor price and check it out. August 14th, guys, it was sailing stuff, and you could take part in IDO. And if you go for the Sailor here, Kryptonite project, this was the initial price, I believe, on the IDO or something. Look at this. So there was so many hate here from the community and from the even calls and other guys. So you can see that the price was really drastically fall down in 4 times during the December. Look at this. But then it made, let's see this, 0.14 from 0.03. So from 3 to 4, 14, so it raises in more than in 4 times. So if we were investing, oh, I'm sorry. If you're investing in any of this one, period. So if we were just continue just going here with this one, and with this one, so you could be a millionaire, guys. So right. And we've just showed this. We've just showed this on our Twitter. We've showed this on our Twitter in August. In August, guys. So everyone could. Actually, I've got on. So they're trading on the Gate.io right now, and you can trade them on several dexes like Pancake, like in Say network as well, because they're just initial partner with the Say network. And if you just install the Compass wallet, you will see that you can add the Sailor into the Say network. And what I want to show you guys, I've got a small allocation there, so I've bought some coins. I haven't get because of the unlock periods and so on, I haven't get my my money back, but it doesn't matter. What I want to show you guys that recently I've got unlocked several, for example 10% or something, so around $200, and I've put so I've just changed them for Say and go for the staking on the Say, and stake them for the 4% APR. If you go and see, for example, Say itself, so it's native coin for the Sailor, and it repeats, I believe it repeats the destiny of Solana in some way. So they just got in October the price of 10 cents. Right now the price is almost done 10x. So guys, taking a cut, and I believe they have a huge potential in future. I remember that they have drop for the airdroppers not so good, and everyone everywhere we're hating this project because they haven't shared the money with you guys. But actually this was an opportunity to buy coins and to go and to get some profits right now. So because the Bitcoin price haven't raised on 10x, but Say does, right now it's 45. So it went to 100, right? So this is huge, and you need to watch around our Twitter what we're just showing you guys, because everything I'm trying by myself. I'm a low banker, I cannot put everything much money in everything. Of course, if I would have any of the free capital, of course I would definitely put it in here for sure. Okay, so but not now because they're on hype. So you need to, for example, for swing trades, you need to wait almost for the 0.6, for example, yeah, because they will go down for sure. But actually I've just changed one of my IDO tokens which were raised in 5x, changed them for Sailor and got in the APY 4%, and I will try to get extra money there because I believe their to the moon time is not come yet, and I believe they can make $10, $20 like Solana for sure, if they will, of course, develop their ecosystem rapidly. Okay, let's move next. I believe we have a lot of, I believe you have a lot of information about what we're doing in terms of the trading, in terms of the DeFi stuff, staking, and other stuff. What about the GameFi? So actually it's interesting stuff. So I've already shown you Beat Fighters, for example, but I haven't played them a lot of time, right? So I've just got my NFTs, check it out. And for example, if we're going and see the pixels. So we've showed you pixels several times ago, and they got on the Binance right now, and look at the price. Okay, 3 months. Why it's showing some something strange? Okay, so you can see that the price raised drastically. They've got into the money. They have trading volume, amazing trading volume, 800 millions in circulating supply, 700 millions. Amazing stuff. They get an amazing job. Actually, we haven't played much on the project because you need to invest a lot of time or money and go deeper there. So, but you can get some money here. But for me, for example, it's reasonable just to buy coin and then sell if it showed, for example, something like 20-30%, right? So it's actually it's actually more interesting in terms of the getting profits. But for another reason, if you like gaming, if you like to play games, if you like to earn with gaming and GameFi and so on, so of course we've got a lot of stuff. For example, with Cetus, I invested much in Cetus for myself. Let's go here, connect the wallet. So for example, I have the during the year I've invested something like 10k. I've got the bank license, if you remember. I've got the contribution in almost every of the model, and for example bank itself as well. So let's see, for example, how much do I get from the bank as the... Okay, it's loading. Let's wait for this. 100. So for example, it's almost more than 1,000 and a half owners, and I'm in 100 stuff here. So it's far from the getting back my, for example, money as in terms of the getting back my for example investments. But guys, if we, for example, go, I believe if we go for the, okay, let's check, for example, marketplace. Why not? I'm just curious because I haven't analyzed yet all of the incomes here. I have a huge amount of Cetus tokens in staking, something like 3 million Cetus tokens in staking, maybe less, I don't remember. So in the marketplace, look at this, I invested 77,000 and I've got almost 35,000 here. So I've almost done within the getting back my investment points in terms of the investments. But you need to understand that part of these investments are made in resources, and actually it's just my time, right? Not the initial investments. And let's go for the model. Bank model. Right now I have teller license, and I can earn here, so total tellers 51. I have a license, and I have, for example, requests, so I can, for example, deal with some guy and get my fee. So my fee will be, for example, 3%, not so big, so I can adjust these volumes, but I just want to show you how it's working, right? So how you can get the money here, and the bank itself will get this fee like $1 that it will spread out for the bank owners as me, for example. Okay, let's confirm. So in a 1 hour, I will get the 1.45. So in some countries, guys, in some countries, it's the standard fee for a usual worker, $2 an hour, right? $2 an hour. You need to understand. You need to think over this. I'm not working these 2 hours, right? So the game is working, and I will get this $2 in hours. So of course, if I can, for example, load out this bank teller, let's check it out. How much money? For example, you can get something like this. For example, it's daily. So why not? Why not to take it? To take $50 daily? I wouldn't mind. I wouldn't mind. So if you just multiply it 1,044. So it's a good stuff here. Of course, I haven't get this by now, so you can see the claimed stuff and everything. But you can see that I've just withdrawn something around 7,000 in total. Invested much more, of course, because the legendary hero, legendary replicant, the legendary capsule, the staking itself. So you can see that. Okay, my total stake. Oh, it's total. It's not my stake. I haven't gotten 100, by the way. I've just missed it out. Stake a little bit here. $10,000, sorry. 10,000. But if we go for the staking 4, I've just staked 1,000, not so big amount. But Sirius in staking 4 is 600. 600, so pretty much a big amount, right? And I need to wait 2 years for this one. And here we go with this one. So invested 2,000 here. Oh, I can claim right now some of these tokens. I suppose I staked much more. No? Okay. So this you know, guys, this is a big amount for me, right? So, and I need to make this staking because if I want to make this teller license going live, so I can claim, for example, this one. Now look at this. Why not? Oh, I can claim it into my account. Okay, let's go for the bank and see how much money it is. And if I want, for example, so you can see that I haven't touched it for some time because I haven't got some of the money here. So for example, if I want to withdraw with not my, for example, worker, but another one, so I will need to make an offer, and I can, for example, put all of the stuff. 700. Why not, guys? Why not, right? But I will do, of course, with my own worker here. But you can see that, for example, if I want to go with this sum, so I will pay the operational fee $37 for the teller and for the bank so itself. So it's a rather interesting system here. What else I can tell here for the recent updates? Let's check it out. The recent updates about Sidus Heroes, because we haven't make it some stuff. Monthly payments linked to USDT in Sidus and Synapse starts February. For the organization creation, monthly fee. Okay. So actually, staking 5. Actually, I wasn't. Shuttle toolboxes 30. Okay. I haven't gotten 100, but I don't think that I need the shuttle actually. Sidus Pod. What I'm interested in Sidus Pod. So I will take this money from staking to the Sidus Pod, I believe. So their preparation, so maybe it will be a bull run, so it will be interesting to invest in some of the projects that they will attract for the Sidus Pod. Why not? They are live more than 1 year, so we can believe them maybe in some stuff. So, and as for the Sidus Heroes and Xena, I haven't played Xena for several months, and I believe that we need to work it out. So maybe we will make several casts here, because they have some updates here. The Brontes Challenge tournament is extended. Cup deductions, dues. They have dues. Bottom 2 teams lose cups. Mode selection, 50 cups, and other stuff and other stuff. So this is very interesting. I believe we can work on this as well. Need to check it out, and of course Time Bazaar. So what about next stuff here? For sure we'll continue playing God and Chain and Aether cards game, because I believe they have, so because it's fun and they have a lot of potential, and actually we want to provide you more and more content which is connected with GameFi, because it's fun. And it's interesting content we can share with you, right? So what about the Trendex, guys? So it's absolutely awesome. You can see my account here. So I was just open up my account, but you can see the cards and the returns, and what we are going to do here. Look at this, for example. We can see gainers and losers here, so they act as usual coins, like usual NFTs. But look at this. I saw that there are some of the guys which has the lower price. So for example, I want to sort by price. Make from the lowest one. Okay, I believe this one is top gainers, of course. So you can see the price is below $1. So it's definitely worth to buy if you know these players. If not, you will get some of the profits like staking, just holding them, and you need a lot of stuff, a lot of cards to get the next league. So for sure you will need cards, right, for different tournaments, because tournaments will provide you additional money. So you can see that my guys okay, reward from the tournament, so 60 cents, 60 cents, right? So you can easily work within this stuff, and you can easily buy more players. upgrading your league, and then even sell them with a higher price. So I suppose it's wonderful opportunity. So for example, I have let's look. For example, Dominic. So the value is 2, yield max one buck year. So returns 1 buck 84 if I sell them, for example, all of them. How many of these I have? And you can see the profit. So I can sell them. You will achieve in confirmation and sales is effective. So you can actually see our link here in the description of Trendex. So I have some stuff here. I'm picking up my teams for tournaments. As for the league, so I can get rewards up to 100 bucks. Okay, create my peak. So access to the management league, cards of your team. What is right now? What is the tournament in 1 day? Okay, next tournament, Trend Score tournament. Not yet. Let's go for a peak. Reset peak. So I will go with Kareem. I will go with Hamza. I will go with GeekFi. I haven't got a big Trendex index right now, so you can buy GeekFi with a huge discount, and then you will see when I will be rising how far it can go actually. I will go this one maybe. Oh, 81. Let's take some Florian. Yeah, why not? 77. Safe peak, okay. So I've just make my peak and registration closed. My pick, okay, it's locked, so that's it. I've just so very easily to do, but you can win several bucks, and they provide tournaments 2 times a week as far as I remember, so you can get some rewards weekly. This is awesome stuff here today. You can use this possibility, so I believe that's the plan for the nearest several months. So we will do everything we just done before, and I will show you all the results. So I believe from the 2023 we've got something like 10k profits, not so big, and actually we've put everything in investment as well, but for now we're waiting the bull run, so it's not the bull run. So you can imagine how you can. So you need just to pick up the volumes of the free money you have and put them into different sources, not just one, because it's finance, it's not business. Yeah, if you just are making some business, of course I would say that better stay focused if you have low resources in one stuff, and then check it out if it's working or not. But for the financial services, for the crypto, it's better to diversify all of the stuff you have. Okay, we have some time. I believe that we will go for the Aether and take some dailies, because I haven't played, I believe, a week or so, and we will need to achieve dailies to get some fights. Let's do this. I will close my account here. My session was expired. Okay. Okay. Let's go directly for the store and see the calendar. I left 8 days and I need to make 15 days here, so I have some blessings. Get shadow blessings, spend blessings, take part in the matches. Okay. I need to go for the from the beginning, right? So let's do some stuff here. Let's go for the deck builder. So I have some deck, and actually we have daily quest. I haven't made a daily quest for a week or so because I have some personal strategies, so I haven't played yet games. So we have some time to play the cards, play the beasts, use a Cernal. Very easy to achieve. Actually, I haven't achieved this one daily. Cannot do this one. Sometimes I prepare just deck for the quest, for the weekly quests, to achieve them more quickly, but actually today is Monday and we have enough time to play with this. Okay, I don't see the... Okay, let's play several games. We play this one guy. Okay. I will not play this one. Let's reshuffle this trial. Okay. Should we take this one? Okay, let's do this. Just making the pressure on the table. Let's kill this one. Actually, we can save these guys for the future, but I can reanimate them in future. Okay, that sounds nice. I will use my external power. I wanted to say God's power, but it's not God on chain. Okay. Can we go something with 6 silence in this one? I don't think I really do not think that we need to do this. We need to save this for the end game.
That creature must be a nightmare from Old Father.
Okay.
It is the only explanation.
Oh, this one provides the plug. Do we have any removals? Okay, this one is great removal, by the way. And this one is great removal. And this one we can use right now. I can go with 1 damage here. Oh, we cannot do anything because he has the Fortitude. It was my mistake. I have only 5 mana. Okay.
I cannot do that just yet.
Oh, this is not good dragon for me. Okay, he will kill my
Do you
girl.
think that thing will stop me? I will mount its head on the bow of my ship and use its skin for my sail.
Okay, big dragon's coming in. I like well rolled and of course Star Shatterer, but it's not time for the start Shatter. Okay, I believe him. Let's make him I have only 5 mana actually in my. Let's take more cards. Provided it's him pretty hard, right? But okay, it's okay, guys. Don't like, of course, Inquisitor's Dome is crazy stuff. This one is very good creature. I want to play maybe a little bit saver.
I
Let them
placed you there for a
flag.
reason. Be sure to follow my orders.
Okay. This has supremacy. Good stuff here. I believe I'm done. As far as I remember, they have
I
some
will still make it home.
dragon stuff. I don't remember dragon free stuff here. Dragon's Year. Don't know if they have this code working, but we can try to use this. I haven't used this. Let's go. Dragon Year. Remember this one. Dragon Year. Okay. We've got some dragons here. Look at this. Berserker. So they widely used in the previous game, right? There's Fortune for all opponents is very nice. Enigma. Enigma, this spell is nice. I have this spell actually by my own. This one is nice as well. Reciprocator, Emerald Dragons, Drobinger, Demigod. This one is awesome. Demigod is awesome as well. And this one is also good. So we have a lot of cards, new cards. So let's go for the deck builder and go for the, for example, for the quest one. Edit. Oh, this one is quest. Okay. Prison Terror. We will save this one. Let's see what do we have. I will stay blink. Star Shutters. So what do I want to definitely keep in my hand? This Demigod guy. Look, this one, Drobinger. Very good. The Play Panic. I like this one. I like this one as well. Dark Embraces. I believe this is nice. I'm not sure about the Wingold Lightning right now. I feel like Cloak, Supremacy, Discipline. This one is good for making, for example, bunch stuff on the table. We can take it as well, and this one. We will take this one against dragons. Inquisitor's Dome with 2 cards is much better. Okay, this one. Is much better than had this stuff. Okay, let's take this one. And maybe, of course, we will need some cards to silence our opponent and some removals. So where is the silence for this one? We definitely need these 2 of these. I'm thinking about this one. Choose your creature and return it to the hand. No. This one maybe. Misfortune is very nice to stop creatures, and it's very cheap. I'm not sure about this one. I like this one, guys, for sure. Berserker. So provide 1 damage to all creatures, so 2 berserkers, and we can revive them. With the Fairy of Oblivion. We can force to discard the cards from the opponent hands, but we need to sacrifice creatures, and we do not have a lot of free creatures actually. Inquisitor's Dome as well is very good. I will take these two. Apply Panic is maybe interesting. But better to take 1 Guardian, at least 1 Guardian. Let's try this. Oh, okay. 1 pet. Let's use just standard one, I believe. Okay. Let's go and test this new deck. Why not? Come on. We need some opponent here. Okay. Enrique de Guerra Binoche.
We both know that only one of us is walking away from this.
We go first. We can replace actually almost everybody. Oh, this is nice. So we haven't cheap supremacy models here, by the way. That's why we can go directly with this guy, just to create some pressure on the table. Actually, this deck might be more control and might lose opponents against the Enrique de Guerra, because if he hasn't got, of course, I want to go with reshuffle this one. Okay, I will use this one guy next turn. 6-1, whew, crazy. Very aggressive. Okay. Thunderstorm Blink, I will choose Blink. Actually, going with this one is not so good. Better to go with this one next turn, so to keep it safe. He hasn't gotten table. Okay. Reshuffle this one. Take 2 more cards. Okay. Oh, I made a mistake. Maybe. I don't know. Okay, let's silence this guy. How much mana I have? 5.
I need more ether.
I can go out with this guy and go with him. It's Ice Dragon. Oh, we can do some interesting stuff. Let's burn. I cannot burn this. Okay. I made a mistake again. Okay. I just forget about that I haven't got many of this. Okay, he played Aether round. Okay, it's nice. We can go with this one or with this one.
Do you think that thing will stop me? I will mount its head on the bow of my ship and use its skin for my sail.
Oh, this is very interesting. But I will go with this guy. I suppose I want to deplete these 2 guys. Actually, I don't like them. Okay, let's see what he will do with my dragon. I'm worried about these cute creatures. Oh, this is bad. Okay. All creatures with little health. But we have how much? 7, right? It's still not enough actually. 9, so he can provide 1 damage and I will be there, but it's okay. We're just testing the game. Oh, very nice creature. Makes shock on my creature. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you liked today's stream. So I've just shared my thoughts about the next episodes which we're going live. Love you all, guys, and bye bye. See you tomorrow. Much love.